in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Tinder app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the reason why you are experiencing this most likely is because Tinder app has experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed, or there is a problem with either your app on your phone or there is a problem with Tinder servers. For any of this, let me show you how you can go about it. Now, in the first method, we need to access Tinder app info page, and you can do this by just going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Now under apps, you should see all your apps, or if you don't see, you should see manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. Just search for your app by name, and here we go, our Tinder app is here. From the app info page, first go to force stop. This will prevent or stop any background activities that might be running and thus causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally clear all data and confirm this. Once you're done, restart your phone, and now if you go to your app and open it, everything should be running smoothly now. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to check and ensure that you are not connected to any VPN, as VPN can cause this issue as well. But in case you don't have any issue with your VPN, then check if we have any update through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll just search for Tinder like that, and if I search, check if we have an update. You can see we have an update here. You'll need to update your app to the latest version, and then try log in and use the latest version of this app. So in most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, even after doing all this, if you still experience the error, then most likely it's because there is a problem with the Tinder servers. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes and try checking later. And once the issue is fixed, now your app should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.